Go get him. Stand in. Pyro. Right. Right here. Pyro, here. Klotz. On the... Pyro, here. Here. Just show me your hands. Stand up slowly. Stand up slowly. Stand up slowly. Stand up slowly or I'm going to send the dog. I can't see your hands. Stand up slowly and come out to us. Fast. Fast. Out! Out! Pyro, out! 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 On the ground now! On the ground! On the ground now!
Face down on your stomach.
On your stomach! On your stomach! Stop fighting, you're gonna get bit! Put cuffs on as soon as we can.
Okay, I got arm.
Ouch! Cuff?
Yep, cuff.
Dog coming off.
Okay. Good. Stay in the corner, dog. God damn it. That hurts so bad. Jesus Christ. Oh.
Yeah, you got a good taser, buddy.
Oh.
Let me get the side.
Yeah.
Oh. So he got cut up pretty good there. You guys gonna get in bed or? I had to look away when he had him on the mouth. I was like, oh my.
Fire's in the backyard. It's in a barrel, though. That's not a good way to prove you're a man.
By doing nothing and sitting on my couch in my home.
Well, we can be friends, but it's got to happen after all the policing stuff happens, you know?
Can I spit?
Yes.